Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share my life in the moment in the present and with my routines and passions and sparks memories and the past, the simple present. I am electrical engineer student at Continental University and white and up and 6 am. Dry what and have bread and with ham and scoff and with milk and for burns and long hams once and got word and like and because and meat and with fields and war is more fun in the evenings and studying and will the on Google Meet and Hill and Edge Oits and Loot. I love music and listen it to almost every day. My favorites are Morat and Ibad, and also like the Rain's novels and poems and historians books and no reggaetons, do tunes and preference pop or ins. In my fun time, in walk in the park and with my dear dog and they love and do rooms. Also enjoy and cooking and windscapes and makes pasta and with tomatoes and signs for family. On weekends, I'm going to university, do school, and with my clans and memories and the present past. License and traveling Ica and ways and mentions and was and sentence and says the Nazca lines and the trip was launched and but it was worth it. Ica is chart city and Sura in day by in desert. The people are friends and the food is delicious and they calapulca and sopa seca and regional spaghettis and the Nazca lines and white mysterious and imprints says the Hingans geologs forms the is and what's Breakenstein and what's Amans beats the skill of the ant sculptures, the ferns and white bull and boots the with what form it and visited the Wakachina Oasis and Miran and climbed and dunes and went southward and then it was much as enjoys and the gains pisco sour of year my trims Duica was on the painter. I'm grateful to have visiting circles and specials and misterns plans and adventure and will all remember and do brings my trip in was do Hinton and do she this experience were like a um, family. Thank you.